Welcome to Ridart presentation video. Ridart supplies valves and fittings for storage tanks of all hydrocarbons and chemical products. Ridart main products include pressure vacuum vent with flame arrestor that is available in different sizes, model 197 ENP. Various types of inline flame arrestors allow to stop the flame propagation from entering into the pipeline. Quick dry coupling is used to prevent any possible leaking during the transfer of hazardous liquids. Overfill prevention valves protect your tank from overfilling and provide better tank capacity. All other products are vapor recovery valves, shear and shutt-off valves, under-pump check valves, anti-siphon valves, and others. Thank you for watching.